People buy them for about 15-20 bucks, but I thought, why not crack one open and see what's in there. So if you ever get one of these power supplies here, don't scrap them, don't throw them, test them first, and if they work, it's a good $15. So I cracked one of these open so I don't make a video of me hammering trying to bust the the plastic. So made it a little easier for me to make the video. So pretty much what's inside of one of these guys is nice thick heavy transformer with some wiring. Now, few things you can do. Obviously these guys you should keep there, put them with your brass and everything. So we got some screws, sorry, there's some wires here. Let me snip those. Snip the other side. So what we have is brown board here. From the looks of it, there's some really nice copper in here. So you got the green board out. I'm going to remove these, put them in my wire pile. I don't do too much wire stripping because I don't really have the time. I know people say do it in your free time, but don't have much free time. So if you can get into this, which you should be able to if you hammer this, you should be able to get a nice chunk of copper out of this. If not, you can sell this as a copper bearing motor. It has a lot of weight to it, so you'll get what, I think it's 12 or 15 cents a pound. If not, take it apart. I'll try to do that off video right now, and then I'll make a quick video to show you what came out of this. I don't want you guys listening to me hammering away. Hey guys, so I'm back with the little transformer here that I was taking